Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create an APA citation using online tools from the internet. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. APA citation is very important, especially to students, researchers, and educators and scientists. When we create our essay or research paper or journal, it is very important for us to cite the source of our information that we put in our research paper. So the internet has offered several tools that are free to use to create our APA citation. APA stands for American Psychological Association. Assuming that we have searched for the word computer science. Okay, as we browse here, let's say we click this link. Okay, let us wait. Okay, so we have here the definition of computer science from Department of Computer Science, University of Maryland. Okay, so to create an APA citation, we go in this website, scriber.com. So we have several options here: web-based, journal, article, book, video, online news. So we can cite by putting here an URL. Okay, so for example, I will copy this URL on the top, pardon me, and then here we can paste in click cite button. It cannot be found. Okay, so we will do it manually. So the title is, we will go here, what is computer science? What you can do is to copy. We go back here, website name, University of Maryland, no? University of Maryland. Okay, publication date, no date, access of date, today. We have here October 2022. The date is 31. Yeah, the URL we will simply copy, no, the URL on the top. This one we copy. After which we click the cite source. Okay, so we have already here, no, the APA citation of the word computer science. So what we can do, if we have a Microsoft Word, we simply click the copy to clipboard and then paste. Okay, so we can change the formatting and then right click here to paragraph, single, no space in between. That's it. We have already the APA citation using Scriber, no? Okay, it is free, no, to use from the internet. Okay guys, so I hope that you have learned something new on how to create an APA citation using online sources from the internet. In this example, we are using Scriber. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that I was able to help you out, no, in your research paper and essay assignments. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.